Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to create invite links for Telegram group. To do this, it's very easy. You have just to go to Telegram, open it, and after that, go to like any group that you are admin on, for example, this one. And after that, click on the profile picture of the group in the top right of the screen. And after that, go and click on edit. And after that, go to the second option, invite links. And as you can see, there is that link already created. You can click on the three dots near to it and revoke the access to it. When you revoke the access, that means anyone who will click on that link can't enter to your group. So you can click revoke link, and like that, a new link was created. So as you can see, you will see the deleted link below, and you can also create a new link and like give it a name. I will name it test. You can like request admin approval. You can limit it for a time period for 1 week, 1 day, or 1 hour. So people will only join your group if they click on the link on that time. So if someone will click on the link after 1 day, he can't join the group. And after that, you have just to click on create. And as you can see, the link is created. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you next video.